Hi everybody, this is Trader, and today I wanted to showcase a new financial instrument that IQ Option offers. It is called Classic Options. So just like with binary options, you also have to choose whether the price of a classic option goes up or down. In order to start trading, go to the assets list and choose Classic from the list. It's right after the binary and turbo options. So there are two tabs. Let's pick one of them. I think Western Digital might work well here. I'll give it a couple seconds to load. Here are the today statistics, and let's rewind and check how the price behaved a couple days before that. I do see that there is some constant growth happening. So the gaps between the graphs is the periods when the market is closed. So these options are based on the stock prices of 500 top performing US companies, including the names like McDonald's, Apple, Netflix, Starbucks, and even some others. So the 5 lines that you see on the right side, they are named strike prices, the ones with the numbers 82.5, 80.5. They let you choose the balance between the risk and the potential profit of your trade. So when you want a lower risk with the call option, choose the lowest strike price. When you want a lower risk with the put option, choose the higher strike price. The more risk you take, the more you can earn. And this can be done selecting the strike prices. So when you're ready to make a trade, just choose a number of options that you want to buy. I'm going to proceed with the 100 options. When you enter the number, you see on the right the price of them, the amount that you're gonna pay, and right now it's a perfect moment to proceed with the call stake because the price went down. So I'm gonna proceed with the call stake, and I will turn on the fast forward because it takes time for the price to change. Alright, 20 minutes passed and you see that the price actually went down, but since I'm expecting it to go up eventually, I'm going to make one more call stake, another 100 options. And the great thing is that expiry of my trade is in 52 hours, so I can basically sell the trade at any moment once I catch the growth that is fine by me. At this point I'm going to pause the video and come back the next day. Okay, so one more day passed and I'm checking my open positions. So both trades have the average growth of 100%. I think this is just the perfect time to sell them both. Of course, it took time to comparing with the regular binary options, but great thing about it is that it is much safer. And the main difference that binary options and classic options have, with classic options you can close the trade anytime you want. So you do not have to wait for the expiration time like you do with binaries, and maximal losses are limited to the money you invest into the trade. And what's important, the potential gains are unlimited. Let's go ahead and proceed and sell them both. 107% profit. This is simply perfect, and as I said, the gains are unlimited and they can be even like 2000% or even more. So the classic options are available only when the American stock market exchange is open. It is from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. EST, or from 2:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. GMT. I'm gonna make a couple more videos describing them, and I wish you all the good trades. I wish you all good luck, and I will see you in the next videos. Bye bye guys, have a good one.